Now, let me tell you the story about The Long Walk. This movie is actually a movie that you must watch. If you're someone who enjoys watching movies that put you on tension, then this is the best movie for you. You need to go and look for this movie and begin watching now. Now, this movie, it's about the 100 teenage boys. Now, these 100 teenage boys are into a competition and they only have one brutal rule. Now, the brutal rule, they must keep walking. Now, if they stop, they get shot. No stopping, no resting. There are only 3 warnings. 1 warning, second one, third one, and if they give you the 3rd warning, it means you'll be shot.
Come on, really attack. Karunga langira murit. Angira murit. Okay, baki kokonyu. Asitu ote part le joko ningese ki arrest cinema. Abune naki. Mamune ne joka ngere masupu. Kopa. Wanji. Nama ek abu bere bolo dadam. 47 warning lawyer itimul. Yesu. Apoki woni ngai yono e poa kede pasa uni na woni.
Visual upload movie. It's called The Long Walk.
Omuni kona ko na cinema The Long Walk. Ha! Ladies and gentlemen, that's film agari.
Our comrades and
The comrades katungalu
fondly and celebrated.
Karungala no mono mata titumuna bere oke bingo do pela ngeta kekero te bangilota. Aya.
Today,
Lolo
for Carly.
ilosi lolona no akali wala ko alota no akali.
Oh, what is it?
Yol nyabationis. Nyere joka de meja. Ha. Wono werla kipi.
Dancing.
Lo kantina na sanga kipi eja kipi ina seki. Jaun la kipi. Never la irenge kone mudulo.
I'm knocking on wood, I guess.
Ijara. Mimi wo mwe adle mune mudu. Boy. Te cinema.
I gotta take a leak.
Koroni beranga elwat. Isapo choitos.
To watch this movie direct on your phone, just visit www.tesoflix.com. You can watch it and you can also still download it to your phone and watch it later. So